Hello, everybody. My name is Gabriel Wielkopolski. I'm the App Growth Manager at All Street Solutions. I've been working with different customers as a sales in the Atlassian ecosystem as a salesperson and a consultant for the last couple of years. So this is how I actually got some experience that allowed me to get this role. And now, what we wanted to show you here today, and first of all, thank you so much to Cybert Media for giving me the opportunity to even speak to you lovely people here today. And since it's an info, I know you're not tired because that's why we are here today, but it's been a lot of information today, so I'll make sure to be as efficient and entertaining as possible in letting you know why should you care for what I'm about to show you guys. So, and what I'm about to show you guys is our newest product called Agile Planning Boards for Jira. And the whole idea behind this product, and by the way, let's just all assume that I had some beautiful diagrams and graphs with data. I don't. I forgot to bring them with me, but I have cute cats, so I hope that will suffice. And once we have this on the screen, wait. Yeah. So what is Agile Planning Boards? We wanted to kind of reimagine how you approach your workflows and your freedom of performing actions in Jira while working with your team remotely. Because we are all used to workshops performed in the real world, and this kind of became more complicated with the whole pandemic and stuff. So what we wanted to do is give you the experience that we had while we worked in workshops with different sticky notes and with in actual Jira with full freedom. So what is Agile Planning Boards? It's an infinite canvas that allows you to perform Jira actions as you would work in a Miro-like app. However, it is all synced with your Jira and allows you to take Jira actions directly from this canvas. And you don't have to leave the canvas and this interface to perform any Jira actions. And you can also use handwriting detection to put stuff from your to put stuff that you have actually on your walls rather as a notes in your notebooks or actual sticky notes on the walls. You can transport them into Jira with handwriting detection that we tested on doctors, so it should work perfectly for all the handwritings that we may have in IT for people used to typing on the keyboards. And then with one click of a button, you can transform those sticky notes into Jira tickets. And then, using something like this, which is an action table, you are able to just use drag and drop to perform different actions, to update fields, assign, prioritize, whatever you would like to do. And you don't ever have to leave this interface. So as you've seen, for example, in the first picture, you have basically full freedom for how you form your workflows, for how you approach this. So we just wanted to give you absolute freedom to perform Jira actions and without the constraints of the user interfaces that we are used to. And that is essentially it. And what I wanted to say at the end is we are giving the app away for free for a whole year for everyone that's interested. So you are free to copy those codes that are on the screen here, or you can just approach me on LinkedIn or by email, or just tag All Street Solutions on LinkedIn, and we will also provide you with the codes. And I'm open to any questions or feedback that you might have now. Thank you.
Thank you so much for this, for those funny slides. Guys, do you have questions? No? All right. Gabriel, thank you so much. Big applause for Gabriel.
Thank you.